In this video, I will show you how to add Fiat wallet in crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you will be able to find this Fiat wallet, or if you don't find this wallet, you will be able to find this option cash. So it's depend on the country. It can also be labeled as cash or the Fiat wallet, but don't worry, they both are the same. So just click on any of them, whatever you have, and then you will be able to see this similar screen. From here, you have to click on this accept all button. Now from this pop-up menu, you have to click on this box and then click on accept all again. Then it will ask you to submit some information. So just click on this submit now, and then you just have to verify your identity, just entering by your SSN number or providing your personal details. After you do that, your verification will be pending. So you just have to wait until they verify your verification or your identity. And once you have verified your identity, you will see this similar screen. From your head, you can start depositing money in your Fiat wallet and then start purchasing crypto. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.